In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress site with Loom integration. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, a portfolio, or a business website, adding engaging video content can really make your site stand out. Loom allows you to embed videos directly into your WordPress pages, creating a more interactive experience for your visitors. And the best part, the process is straightforward when you know the steps. If you're new to WordPress, or if you don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to get started. All right, let's dive in and get started. First things first, open your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.wordpress.com and hit enter. This will take you to the WordPress homepage where you can begin the process. Once the page has loaded, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen there. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the WordPress login page. Now, instead of manually entering a username and password, I recommend clicking on the Continue with Google button. Why? Because logging in with Google is not only faster but also more secure, as it eliminates the need to remember yet another password. Once you click that option, you'll be shown a list of Google accounts that are currently signed in on your device. From the list, select the Google account you want to use with WordPress. If you don't see your preferred account listed, you can always add it manually. After selecting the account, WordPress will automatically log you in and take you straight to your dashboard. Now that you're in the WordPress dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a panel that contains several options. Focus on the quick link section within this panel, as that's where we're headed next. Locate the Edit Site button within this section and click on it. This will bring you to the WordPress editor, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus icon. This icon, which is also known as the Add Block button, is a small square with a plus sign in the middle, usually located at the top or side of the screen. When you find it, click on it. A search field will appear, allowing you to search for various types of content blocks that you can add to your page. In the search field, type the word Loom. As you type, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with different options. From this menu, select the one labeled Loom. This option allows you to integrate Loom directly into your WordPress page. Once you've selected it, click on it to finalize the integration. By doing this, you're enabling the ability to embed Loom videos into your site. This is a fantastic way to make your content more engaging and lively, giving your visitors a richer and more interactive experience. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Loom into your WordPress site. From here, you can start adding video content to your pages and really make your website stand out. So now you know exactly how to add Loom integration to your WordPress site. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe,